Unlock the power of the gods. The Athena AT1 is a game changer, delivering a continuous flow of steam at 132 degrees Celsius with 32 psi of pressure. Sterilize your bedding, furniture and linen. It's the perfect weapon against dust mites, bed bugs, scabies, bird lice and more. This handheld portable cleaner is packed with power, giving you the best results for a cleaner, healthier lifestyle. Alright, let's get started. First thing, make sure the unit is unplugged from the power outlet. You've got a 2.5 metre long cord, but if you need to reach further, just grab an extension cord. Now, unscrew the water tank to fill the Athena AT1. Use the measuring cup to pour in 250 ml of water. Distilled water is best. Don't overfill it and make sure to securely tighten the cap. If you notice hot water coming out, it means the unit isn't hot enough yet. Or maybe it's sitting at an angle or possibly overfilled. Once it's at the right temperature and any excess water has run out, you'll see a steady stream of steam. Always keep it upright and level while in use. Before steaming, plug the AT1 into a wall socket and turn the power on. It heats up in just 3 minutes. You'll be ready to go in no time. The orange light will glow while it's heating, and once it's good to go, the light will turn off. The Athena AT1 has a built-in safety system, so you won't be able to open the unit while it's pressurized. You will know the unit still has steam inside while the cap continues to turn without opening. This system prevents burns from hot steam. Ensure to let all the steam out before you try to remove the cap. You may need to apply a little downward pressure to open it while it's still warm. Keep your finger on the trigger to make it easier to open the cap. Just be careful, the metal parts around the cap will still be hot. The Athena AT1 comes with a range of attachments to suit your needs. To install an attachment, the locating marks can help line up the two parts. A push and turn motion will connect the attachment to the steamer. Reversing the same action will allow you to move the same part. Let's explore these attachments now. First up, the extension hose. It's perfect for most jobs. It lets you hold the steamer in your non-dominant hand with the hose and attachment in your dominant hand, keeping the unit level while you work. Next, use the fabric attachment to clean your linen, lounges and mattresses. It'll sanitize your encasements too, killing dust mites, bed bugs and their eggs. Just move the steamer gently over the fabric, killing everything in its path. You'll want to move about 10 centimeters every 2 seconds. The bent nozzle is great for diffusing the steam pressure without blowing dust mites or bed bugs around. It's perfect for furniture and bed frames. If you need to tackle hard floors, carpets or engineered flooring, the optional steam mop attachment makes it easy to clean, killing everything in its path within seconds. The round brush is awesome for scrubbing tile grout, ovens and tough stains on surfaces like countertops and sinks. And for tight spaces, the detail nozzle is perfect. It focuses the steam on things like grout and crevices, helping to blast away dirt and grime. For windows, mirrors or glass surfaces, use the glass attachment. It loosens grime, making it easy to wipe away with a squeegee or microfiber cloth. Just make sure to go top to bottom and side to side before polishing with a microfiber cloth. If you're using the AT1 for a bed bug infestation, you're in luck. The AT1 kills 100% of bed bugs and eggs within 2 seconds of exposure to steam, instantly scalding them to death. For furniture, use the bent nozzle to steam all the cracks, crevices, seams and folds where bed bugs like to hide. Move slowly to make sure the steam really gets in there. You'll also want to steam furniture in the affected areas, like bedside tables, bookshelves and drawers. Be sure to steam both the outside and inside of each piece, removing the drawers to make sure you get every nook and cranny. Don't forget to hit the perimeter of the room, especially the skirting boards. They're a common hiding spot for bed bugs. For carpets or cracks in floorboards, use the steam mop attachment. For lounges, fabrics or encasements, use the linen attachment. Move it slowly back and forth about 10 centimeters every 2 seconds. Overlap your passes to make sure nothing is missed. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to contact your point of sale. Bye for now.